And that will wrap up another live stream. Thank you all for coming in and enjoying some time with us on Beards and Desserts. And we'll see you next week. We'll talk to you soon. Andy, it's time. It's rockin' review time, baby! Hey guys, this is Andy the Beard Practitioner, and guess what? On today's Rockin' Review, we are talking about the Bearded Mack. Some of the best products around. It's amazing products, and I am happy to be able to bring these to you. I have had an awesome live stream, awesome discussions with the owner, Chris. He is a local zonie, and he is absolutely amazing as an owner, and he is kicking it out of the park with these products. I have the awesome ability to have bought the wonderful Devoted Mack, and then I have also bought the other one, which is the Revolutionary Mack. Awesome products. Okay, Caden, what do you got here? So we got 3 different products. 2 of them are the same scent. So what are you going to say that... Okay, so read the ingredients here really quick.
No.
Oh, yeah. Go and try to read the ingredients on this one.
Sal.
So you can read Sal. It's S-A-L. What's the rest, Caden? What's the rest of these?
Chupaca.
There's a shea butter in there. Kapaka. Capucha. Capucha beard. Maru. Lilipe butter. Babasu oil. Carrier oil blend is chamomile seed, fractionated coconut, broccoli seed, moringa seed, hemp seed, argan, cranberry seed, avocado, tamanu, vitamin E, and some sort of fragrance. Is really nice, and it mellows out to a nice solid cologne to me. And the feel of beard of this butter is amazing. Well, so this one is the Revolutionary Mack, and this one is
Not as cologne.
not as cologne, but it kind of mellows out to a leather cologne. So that's kind of the feel that I got on this. And the feel and beard again is amazing on this oil.
I found the ingredients.
What are the ingredients, sir, on the oil?
Camellia seed, fractionated coconut, hemp seed, argan, moringa, broccoli seed,
Yep. Hemp
cranberry seed,
Cranberry seed. Ooh, that's a good
avocado,
one.
tamanu, vitamin E.
Cool. So really good. And all of these make, I mean, the amount of research that went into making these. I know Chris did a heck of a job doing this. So amazing feel and beard for the oil. My skin just absolutely loves this. And I bought more of his products because I thought this was so good. This is his butter, and he has another. This is the Revolutionary Mack butter.
This is
has a really
thicker.
close to has a really close similar smell to it, so you kind of get the same smell. And it really does. So right out of the bottle, it just is like a point blank, like poof, puff. like right in the face, kind of a fruity, cologne-y smell. However, it mellows out quite a bit to what I think he's right, leather and kind of a musky cologne smell. I really like it. And do you have anything else to say? What do you think of the smells, Caden?
I think they smell good.
I just think they smell good. Now, the only thing that it doesn't have in it is what?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Caden McPineapple over here is very sad about the fact that there's just no pineapple in it, but I think that these are really nice. In summary, guys, this is an awesome company. I would say that this is one of my top 10 companies of all time. Chris, by far, is just absolutely killing it. You need to get yourself in on Bearded Mack if you have not tried. There's a couple reviewers like my buddy Ken from Bluegrass that have an affiliate code. Go get you some today, and he has like a 15% discount even. So go check out his affiliate list, and you will be very happy with the outcome of this. So again, in summary, awesome products, good for your beard, wonderful feel. Have a good day.